Appreciate natin yung pause without taking pictures.
Daddy.
Liam, appreciate the pause.
Dad, there's a bridge. Dad, there's a bridge. How are we going to get up there?
Maybe we need to have pictures. Huh?
But I don't. Daddy, Dad,
Huh?
I don't want to go to the beach.
It's alright. We won't.
It's scared. I'm scared of heights, Dad.
I-appreciate nyo.
Baby, video mo kami. Kayo may dalawang video ni Liam.
Oh, sige, saan? Ayan, magagalit na yung mga tao. Kanina pa tayo dun. Mamaya, sisingit tayo ulit.
Sophia, walang picture.
Hindi pa pwede. Malamig, tsaka maano. Ano mo, may miss to?
May kuha ba ako maganda?
Ang tagal ko nang gustong pumunta rito, ma.
Yan, Merry birthday. Ano mo yan?
Oh,
You're
birthday.
wasting your dollar.
Teka, walang kumikuha. Ode? Ayan.
Ano ba, video?
Tingnan mo yung kuha ko sa inyo, babe.
Ina-appreciate ko yan, mamaya.
He took too much photos. I don't like that.
Appreciate the pause.
I'm not fine. Daddy, 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 Dad, Dad.
Hi, video.
Dad, 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 Dad.
Maganda yung video. Lagyan natin sound. Ay, hindi. Maganda yung ano ng sounds.
Daddy, I want to tell you something. Can we go there?
You see the mist?
Baby. Baby, ganyan video.
What, Daddy? What? What, Daddy?
Si Sophia kasi walang tumitingin.
What? What, Daddy?
You see the mist? The mist.
Miss? What? We took too much. Okay, fine.
Nakatingin ka dito. Liam. It's beautiful, huh? It is beautiful. Look at Daddy. Maybe picturean mo kami, malapit.
It's too much pictures. Last one, okay?
Maybe ayan, nawala na sila.
Mommy, I'm tired of
You're
pictures.
tired, oh, you sit down.
I'm tired of pictures. I never do them.
It's okay.
Nice walk.
Baby, tinakpan namin yung malaking falls.
Alin?
Sa baba, magaling mo kumuha. Sakto sa takip.
Mommy.
Ayan, oh.
Ulitin natin. Ay, nakuha yung isa.
Galing mo. Hindi nga maayos, oh.
Hindi kasi iniwasan ko yung tao. Eh.
Tapos tinakpan naman namin yung malaking falls sa baba. Galing mo.
Mommy. Like,
Ulitin natin.
Mommy. No, I'm not gonna do this again.
Ako na lang. Mga arte-arte. Picture mo na ako sa
Daddy, the water keeps splashing on my face.
Halika. Galing ano, lapit na sa kalsada. Hindi mo sila pwedeng tawagan, ma?
May Grace tawagan mo.
Mamaya, ay mabuna ko. Bibit-bitin na tayo dito.
Parang ayaw nang magpakuha ng iba. Parang parehas din. Ako may problema. Sa likod ko ganda.
Mommy, you're wasting all your memories, remember? Mom, you're wasting Daddy's memories. Mom.
Nagilid ko na nga.
Mommy. You're wasting Daddy's memory right now. Oh,
Kaya ka ba?
Ay, hindi ko kayo dyan. Ambong.
Kaya magpakulay kayong ganun buo. Kulay verde. Ganda ako, appreciate nyo na yun. Kaya lang siguro kayo nakita kayo nakataas na
Yun yung Maria Cristina.
malayo ang first.
Ise? Pinito. Buti hindi ako nag-short. Ang lami pa. Kaya, dahil kumapay. Ayun yun.
What do you call this name? This falls? You know?
Hindi ko pagkakot kami. Tino. Sino yan? Ito yan? Ano ba yan? Puro pa parang
Mamaya, marami ng tao mamaya. Ang daming tao, ibit-biting ka na dyan.
Mommy, you're wasting everything in your entire life. So slow.
maganda pag nakapangulo.
Mommy, you're wasting Daddy's phone. Yeah, yeah. Parang siga. Mommy, you're wasting his phone.
Pumunta na rin tayo sa beach.
Very discontent kami ng tita.
Dami-daming kulay eh.
Maganda sa picture eh. Kasi ito ang sinuot mo yung kahapon. Hindi, maganda kami tao para
Malapit-lapit na ma.
maybe